Watch this. I tap the button on my iPhone and this iPad instantly becomes the second monitor for my Mac. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly enable Sidecar and turn your iPad into a second monitor for your Mac with just one click. There's a new script available. I test it and document every step for you. Here's a game plan for today. We'll go through downloading the script, run it in Automator, exporting it as a standalone app, granting the right permissions, and finally setting up a one-tap shortcut from your phone. First thing first, let's download the script. Okay. I already downloaded right here. It's called Enable Sidecar. Now, let's open the Apple Automator and load the script. Once it's open, if you only have one iPad and its name contains the word iPad, you don't need to change anything in the script. Let's hit the run and see what it happens. First try, it works perfectly. And if you want to disconnect, just hit the run again, and Sidecar turns off. Simple as that. Now, the script itself works great, but here's the thing. The real challenges are coming up next. Running it inside Automator every time isn't practically for daily use. There are a few important setup steps you need to get right. The reason this worked for me is that my Mac has a primary display. If you are using a Mac Mini with no monitor attached, you'll need one of these three solutions. Option 1, connect to an external monitor. Option 2, plug in an HDMI dummy dongle to trick your Mac into thinking there's a display. Option 3, install the Better Display app to create a virtual display. Next, let's make this a proper app so you don't have to open Automator every time. Go to File, Export. I recommend saving it to your Applications folder. Name it Enable Sidecar or whatever you prefer. And here is a critical detail. Make sure you check the Sign checkbox and then hit Save. You can now close Automator window. Now, go to Applications, find Enable Sidecar, and double-click it. And if it errors out, don't panic. You need to grant it accessibility permission. Just go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, Accessibility, and find Enable Sidecar, and toggle it on. If you skip this step, I guarantee it won't work. Now let's try again. Click Allow, and there we go, it works. And that's it. Now we have a standalone app that enables Sidecar with just one click. Here's a bonus tip. I use an app called Touch Portal on my M4 Mac Mini. I have linked the Sidecar script to a button in Touch Portal. So now, whenever I want to enable Sidecar, I just tap the button on my phone. Okay, that's a new script. The biggest highlight is that it's compatible with the latest macOS 26, and it also works with previous versions. If it's not working for you, Double check these three things. Number one, make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Number two, your Mac and iPad must be signed in with the same Apple ID. And number three, if you have multiple iPads and want to connect to a specific one, you need to edit the device name in the script to match exactly. Alright, if you want to understand how the script works under the hood, I've documented, and check the link in the description. Here's how to use, and here's how it works. Okay. If this helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.